Would you settle for fuel that slows down your car? Then why would you settle for plugins that slow down your site? Most people don't know this, but a majority of security plugins, including popular ones like WordFence, actually slow down your site. Slow sites not only lead to frustrated customers and loss of revenue, but also harms your Google ranking, which has long-term consequences. So how do we get high-performance security that doesn't break the bank and doesn't slow down your site? Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Julian and today I'll help you choose the best security plugin for your needs by comparing two popular options, MalCare and WordFence. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make your decision based on three key factors: performance, reliability, and usability. We'll also quickly take a look at the prices, and rest assured, we've gone out of our way to make sure that this video isn't biased and has only the most important facts. Let's start with performance. Security scans and cleanups take up a lot of processing power. When these heavy processes take place on your website server, it is bound to slow down. This is the key difference between WordFence and MalCare, because WordFence does these processes on your website servers, slowing down your website. Whereas MalCare does this on its own servers, freeing up the processing power of your website server. This helps your website load as fast as possible. In fact, MalCare is the only security plugin that actually speeds up your website. Now let's talk about reliability. MalCare's intelligent algorithm looks for over 100 signals to find malware that is missed by every other security solution out there, including WordFence. This is because WordFence still uses a slightly outdated method of finding malware by using signature matching and keywords, but this method isn't very effective. Last but not the least, usability. Security plugins like WordFence can be really difficult to configure and use. They send you a ton of notifications, use scare tactics like bombarding you with alerts and false positives, and force you to do time-consuming activities like blocking IPs and more. MalCare, on the other hand, is continuously learning from over 200,000 sites on its network and automatically configures your website with the best security. Hence, MalCare needs zero configuration and works right out of the box. Also, you don't have to bother with time-consuming things like blocking IPs because MalCare's firewall automatically blocks out attacks and suspicious IPs. Lastly, you can rest assured in knowing that you'll only get an alarm when something is actually wrong with your site and you won't be bothered otherwise. This brings us to the end of our comparison on performance, reliability, and usability. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, WordFence offers integrated two-factor authentication, which is not something that MalCare offers. Fortunately, if this is really important for you, there are other plugins that work well with MalCare to help set this up on your website. WordFence also lists out malware that it finds in its free version. This does suffer from false positives and missed malware, but if you're a WordPress pro and can clean your site manually, it's a handy feature to have. MalCare's free version detects the hacks but shows details once you upgrade so that you can clean it with a single click, as most people don't prefer the hassle and danger of manual cleanups anyways. Alright, let's quickly compare the prices once as well. Both these plugins have free plans which are very powerful. If you have a business critical website and want a premium solution, they both offer a similar price for a single site, which is $99 a year. However, MalCare beats WordFence here because it includes unlimited cleanups at the same price, whereas WordFence charges an additional $499 per site for malware removal. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope these facts help you choose the best security plugin for yourself. Making the right choice here is important because it can save you from huge losses of time and revenue, but most importantly, it can help you protect your site effectively. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any doubts, you can comment below or hit us up directly at our 24/7 customer care. If you have a business website and care about high performance, hit that subscribe button for more helpful content like this. It really motivates us to make more videos for you. So I'm signing off for now. This is Julian, your friendly neighborhood geek, and I will see you again next week.